What is up, everyone? Welcome to Canvaplay.
Hello, good hearts and godsends. My name is Godson B.A. Pinky and welcome to our channel, Canva Play. Here in Canva Play, we make videos to share Canva design tutorials, tips, tricks, and hacks that will elevate your Canva skills for free. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe and turn on your notification just below this video so you don't miss out on every video we post here as we upload new videos all the time. With that said, I'm going to head on to our today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I am so thrilled to show you how to create the floating bubble effect in Canva. Bubbles are water vapor. Bubbles consist of a mixture of air and water vapor. It is a gaseous phase of water. It looks like a drop of water, but in a gaseous form. It pops, it moves, and it floats. Today, these bubbles will be the subject of my design. The process is like the photo manipulation I did with my previous tutorial. A road that comes out from a mobile phone, a human as big as the tallest buildings, and now, in this tutorial, an object that is put inside a bubble that floats into the air. Are you curious how to create this? Well, it's very easy and you'll be amazed when you see it done. But as we usually do, I will show you first the design that I will create. I am now in a blank Canva design page and let's create a design named the floating bubble effect. I will start by getting my subject photo from Uploads. I choose this photo because of its vibrant and very pleasing look of nature, exactly the kind of photo in my mind when I think of creating this effect. This photo can also be found under photos by searching the keyword nature reflection. After dragging the photo in my design page, I will set it as my background. I will be needing now a circle element in creating my bubble. I will now go to Elements and search for Frames. Then I will get the first frame in the list, which is the circle. I will resize it depending on the size I wanted my bubble be. Then I will position it middle center. I will get again the photo or image of my background from Uploads and insert it inside the circle frame. Then, I'll align it with my background. For the beginners here watching, you can do it by clicking the circle, and when you see it highlighted, drag the photo inside from any of the corners to resize it and perfectly align it with the background. The circle became invisible, the proof that it's 100% purely aligned. But remember that there is a frame here, okay? Then I will duplicate this page to show you how I will create the bubble. In the duplicate page, I will remove the background photo so that the circle frame will be the photo with the photo inside. Will then the only image left that you're gonna see. With this frame, I will lock it. Remember that I lock it because later, after I created the bubble, this frame will not be used anymore. This frame will just be just as my guide in creating the bubble. I will now go to elements to get the two beautiful elements that I need to create the bubble. The first element, I'll search for the keyword water drop transparent overlay. Go to graphics. And did you see these beautiful water drops that you can use for your design? Canva got the amazing elements I need in doing my designs, and I love using them all. To show you the different kind of water drops, click the three dots at the upper right corner of the element and scroll down. And then you will see the magnifying glass icon at the bottom where it says see more like this. Click it and you'll see the different kind of water drops in different shapes and forms. And I'm so in love with them. But of course, my superstar is the first one, the perfect circle shape water drop with the keyword water drop transparent overlay. I will drag it over the circle frame and I will align it perfectly with the circle frame. If you notice, I choose this element because it has an edge shadows that create an illusion of spherical form, as if the edges is innerly bended or inbound to make it embossed. See? Now, let's get the second element. Go again to elements and search for the keyword bubble. Go to graphics and here it is. I'll show you the keyword bubble. I'll drag it first inside the design, but before that, let me give you other keywords that you can use in searching for a bubble elements. If you want a gradient bubble, for example, with different colors, you can search for transparent soap bubble with gradient. See, they're so beautiful. Or you can use the keyword colored soap bubbles. And here they are, so many colorful bubbles to choose from. Now, if you want a not so transparent bubble but with colors, you can search for bubble realistic element. And here they are, so many kind of its kind to choose from. Going back, like the first element with shadow, I will also perfectly align this element with the circle frame to create a glass-like or water vapor look-like effect. After checking the edges, I'm now confident that they were all aligned. I will select them all and group them. Of course, the circle frame with the photo inside will be left when I will copy it and paste it on the design above, since there's a circle frame with photo there, remember? I will copy this group and paste it on the original design I left a while ago. And see? You can identify now that there's a floating bubble in front of your eyes, isn't it? For final touch, I want this design to look realistic. What I will do, I will apply an effect on the background photo. I will make it a little blurry to emphasize the bubble. Using the background, go to Edit Image, scroll down for the Adjust settings, and adjust the amount of the blur settings to 5. Done! Here's now the final look of the design I created using the floating bubble effect in Canva. That's it! For more design inspirations, watch this! If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and to be updated with our upcoming videos, click subscribe. Drop your comments below for the tutorial you want to learn next time. Before I end this video, I hope I inspire your creativity. I'm Pinky Godson BA saying sharing is caring. In behalf of Simon Goodheart BA, thank you for watching this till the end. Don't forget to hit that little bell icon so you don't miss the next video from Simon with another exciting Canva tutorial. Bye guys, see you in the next video.